So, welcome to the second part of stock analysis and the levels for these particular scripts. So, as you can see, MTR Tech has given a stage 4 breakdown already, and the stock has been into the downtrend from a very long period of time. Stock has fallen around 70% from the highs, and around 50% from the highs, and so the stock is in a downtrend as of now. If you look at the daily chart to understand the levels, so on the daily chart, I see that the stock can head till 1200 or so before the stock can form a new base and everything. So the moving averages have been negative and everything in the chart looks bearish as of now. So this is one stock that you should be avoiding if you are already having it in the portfolio. Otherwise you can book a loss and enter re again once you see that the trend has changed and the trend is in a upward direction. The next stock that we are going to analyze is Zomato. So if you look at the chart of Zomato, I had given a sell call on Zomato already in the StockWits platform. So the stock is down 30% from my sell call. So if you look at the chart, the stock has broken down from an IPO base, then the stock had formed a support, again a new base, and again broken down. So currently, if you look at the uh, overall breadth, if you look at the chart, then the stock has fallen around 70% from the highs, and to again regain back to the same price, the stock needs to give a 160% return over a period of time. So this is one thing that you have to keep in mind, that losses work exponentially against you. So if you keep on holding the stocks even in downtrend, then it may be pathetic for your portfolio and you may face huge losses if you keep on holding. So currently there are no levels in the chart, but any the stock is in downtrend. Definitely the stock can head to 40 or 35 rupees also over a period of time, but with pullback. So you can expect some kind of pullback like this. Let me just draw. You can expect some kind of pullback like this, and then the stock may fall like this. One second. Right, so then the stock may fall like this. So this is one thing that you have to keep in mind before entering into Zomato. The second stock is NYKAA. So as you can see, the stock had a support at around 1590, and the original it had a support at around 1590. It had again taken a support at 1590. Now this time the stock will take a resistance at this area, and most likely the stock is going to stay sideways in this area, right? So this is the price action that is expected in NYKAA platforms or NYKAA. So this is one stock. Particularly all the recent IPO stocks are in a completely bearish zone and are a sell for me, or not even a buy for me as of now, right? So if you look at the chart of PayTM, the stock is in clear cut downtrend. I expect more fall below. I expect more fall in this particular script once the stock breaks this new low of around 1500 rupees or so. So then after that again you can expect some new lows of around 450 or 400, and then that would be a next analysis how we analyze that. So the next chart is Divis Labs. So if you look at the chart of Divis Labs on daily on weekly chart, you see that RS has turned negative. This week's sell volume has been the highest, right? So this is one stock that can fall further if after the breakdown from around 4000 rupees or so. So 4000 rupees is a crucial level to watch for Divis Labs before you enter into this particular script. If we see that the stock is breaking above this area, if the stock breaks out above the area of around 4600, then that would be an opportunity where the stock can resume its uptrend. The next stock is scams. Now most of the people had high expectations from camps, right? So in this particular script, I expect the stock to take support as of now on this area. If the stock breaks down from this area, then you can expect the levels of around 1900 or so in camps, right? So this is one stock that you have to keep in track if you are already having exit below 2350 rupees or so. Next stock is PRINCEPIPES. If you want to look at the chart, PRINCEPIPES is in stage 3. Not the stock has not broken down from the area, but 630 rupees would be an ideal level to watch out if you are already holding it, and below that the stock can head much lower till around 500 rupees and 400 rupees or so. The next stock is POLYCABS. If you look at the chart of POLYCABS is still at in stage 2. The stock is in a confirmed uptrend as of now, but the volumes on the last week had been very bearish, so that this is a point of concern. Now if the stock breaks out above this area, then that is the stage or the trend will continue. Otherwise, if the stock breaks down from 2100 rupees or so, then you may expect some further fall. currently if you are already holding it, then there is no need to worry as of now. But yeah, definitely you should keep a level on these level, you should keep an alert on these levels. So the last stock that we are going to track is Nitin Spinners. Now most people entered here anticipating some, I think so, some big investors entered into this particular script. So currently if you look at the chart, around 190 rupees should act as the final line of support for this particular script. But the stock has turned into a downtrend, and you can see the stock is making lower high lower low structure. Any kind of pullback would be a selling opportunity till 250 rupees or so. Now if you want me to analyze some more charts, do comment in the comment section so that I can understand which are the stocks that you are stuck in. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel, because most of the people are not subscribing to the channel, and that's why we are not growing at that great pace. So do share this channel with your friends. Thank you.